By the end of this video, you're gonna learn how to use the 5 love languages to revolutionize your sex life. Stay tuned because at the end of the video, you're gonna get a link to get our exclusive How to Seduce Your Spouse video. If you wanna know more about how pleasure is healing, be sure to click subscribe and the bell to catch a new video every week, Wednesday at 9 p.m. I'm Amanda Pasciucco. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist and ASEX certified sex therapist, and I have over 15,000 hours of experience working with individuals and couples around their sex and love issues. I'm gonna teach you what I've taught them on how to use the 5 love languages to alter their sexual needs. Let's jump right in on how to increase connection and delve into desire. Words of affirmation. For those of you who love words of affirmation, here are some tips on how to give to your partners. So, one of the things that you can do is find your inner romantic. Try to write things that would woo them. Maybe some dirty texts during the day as a build-up to foreplay. Or you can write them little notes and leave them around the house, because what that does is it gives words of affirmation and it builds up excitement and desire. Gift giving. Some people are really not into gifts, but a lot of people love to receive them. So things that you can buy: lube, rope, floggers, handcuffs, a vibrator, a sexy book, a photo book of different types of body styles. One of the books about knowledge and how to increase your sexual desire and pleasure. Another idea is go out and actually go shopping with them. That's more of an act of service when you're actually out with them, but some people like to get gifts that are very specific. So make sure that you put an offer out there. Maybe buying lingerie together or going to a store together to pick out something is extra special to those that love to receive gift giving. And that's how you really unlock their connection and their love towards you. It might not feel like your language to receive in, but when you give in the way that your partner likes to receive, that's where you start really diving into deep levels of pleasure that are beyond what you see in porn and what orgasms you often have with partners. What is your favorite love language to receive in? Write it in the comments below. Acts of service. So with acts of service, it's really nice to learn a skill set with your partner together. Maybe you can get a private intensive and learn how to tie shibari or rope. Maybe you can work one-on-one with a tantra teacher or somatic experiential worker and get some tips and techniques on how to breathe together. Maybe you can learn how to give oral sex by spending a lot of time on YouTube. Also, buying webinars is the greatest way to learn a specific skill set really fast. So I would definitely recommend that. Quality time. For those of you that love quality time, to me what this means for a partner who experiences sex through the love language of quality time, it means that they want to know that we as their partner are not in a rush. So we're not gonna be doing a quickie, we're not gonna be looking at our clock. We're gonna have hours and hours set aside because our partner deserves this. We're gonna find a babysitter for the night or someone else to come and ask our roommate to leave, or we'll go on a staycation, but we're gonna give our partner a ton of time so that they don't feel performance anxiety, they don't feel pressured or coerced into something that they don't wanna do. Last but not least, physical touch. Physical touch is incredibly important when it comes to sex. Some people need to be touched different times throughout the day to let them know that you're interested. Other people have trauma responses and they don't want to be touched without being warned. However, if your partner is one of those who receives love through physical touch and that is their love language, please be sure to give them that touch. If you're in a monogamous relationship, you're the only person that you've agreed to let them have that. Therefore, work on being willing to give your partner the nutrient that they need. Overall, if you're into quality time, gift giving, acts of service, words of affirmation, or physical touch, it doesn't matter. All of these are wonderful ways to get into your sexy, alive juiciness. So please learn what your partner's love languages are, what they receive, and then give to them in that language sexually. Thank you so much for being here with us. A link below to how to seduce your spouse. We hope that you check it out. This took me over 200 hours to make. It's packed into 30 minutes of what I've learned in over a decade of studying sexuality for couples. I hope that it inspires you. If you like this video, click like, hit subscribe, and the bell. I'm here 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesdays, or follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at The Sex Healer. Have an awesome day.